So we're talking about Halo Subterra Plus. It's a below-grade insulation. It has a laminated side on both sides of it. It's crazy durable. It's very easy to cut and install. We spec it for our projects because we can get it pretty much in any thickness and it matches the R value. So every inch we're going R5. So sequentially you go up, you're building up the R value to your desired wall assembly thickness. And in our case, we went with a 3-inch Subterra because we wanted to make the top wall, like the main floor wall, flush with our foundation wall so we can bring our siding down. So again, the flexibility of the dimension of the Subterra was important to us. Its durability is crazy. You cannot break this stuff. I mean, try your hardest, you can drive over it, it doesn't matter, you won't break it. It's that durable. So we chose it because its durability, its ease of install. You can cut it on site, stand it, tape it, glue it. It's awesome.